video we are going to see type def structure, array and structure chapter, programming in C. My name is Professor Pokharkar MS, HOD, Computer Engineering Department, Samartha Polytechnic, Delhi. Today's topic is type def structure. Now in C language there are two types of user defined data type. One is a type def and another is a enum, means enumerated data type. Today we have to see type def data structure. Now what is a type def data structure? Type def is a user defined data type. Type def is a keyword which is used in C programming to provide some meaningful names to already existing variable in C program. That means already variable is defined, but you have to modify the data type of that variable. Then we are using the type def data type. We are modifying the data type, means just we are changing the name of data type. We are not changing the actual definition of data type. Now type def keyword is used to redefine the name of already existing variable. That means it changes the name of data type. Okay, we'll see the example. Now if we see this example, now in this we have defined the type def variables. Now how? Let us see. Now int roll number, normally we are defining the variable using this way, int roll number, but here before this we have defined the keyword type def. Now we have defined this keyword type def so that roll number, this roll number become user defined data type. That means we can use this roll number variable as a data type. Now here we have defined roll number R1. That means R1 is a variable which having data type roll number. Okay, roll number original data type is int. That means it is also int, but here we can say that R1 is a variable which having data type roll number. We have stored here 11 value. Now here R2 is a variable which having also data type roll number. Here we have stored value 12. Now when we are displaying the value of R1, R2, we are using here format specifier decimal integer. Why? Because roll number actual data type is int, so that we have defined here %d %d. When we run this program, we are getting the values 11 and 12. Okay, in this example we can get the clear idea that type def is already modified. Mean type def is modifying the just name of data type. Now defining the type def structures. So already we have seen the syntax of the structure, but in this syntax just we have to add this type def name before the struct. If we add the type def this keyword before the struct, then this structure will become type def structure. Now let us see the example here. Struct student already we have defined, but before the struct we are using keyword type def, so that now the structure student, the student is becoming the user defined data type. Now here we have defined the variable s1 which having type student. Normally we are defining the here variable using struct student s1, but here we don't define, or we don't need to define struct keyword. Now let us see the example. In this example we have to declare a structure student having members, roll number, age, name, and accept data for one student and display it. Already we have seen this example, but here now we are using the keyword type def. That means what we are doing now, in this already example we have seen this example. In this previous example we are using this part as it is. Okay, but now here before the struct we are using here keyword type def. So what happened now when we are defining the variable? So variable is defined using just data type student s1. We have not using here struct keyword. Okay, remaining part in this program is same that we have seen in the previous video. Now here enter number, we are storing the number into s1 dot roll number. Enter age, we are storing the age into s1 dot age, that means character array. Okay, here enter we are entering the here age into the integer variable age. Okay, here age is integer. Now here enter name, we are entering the name in s1 dot name, that is a character array. Now here we are displaying the value of s1 dot roll number, s1 dot age and s1 dot name. Now this is the output of this program. Okay, now let us see the next example. Now here example, to declare a structure employee having members ID, name, city and access data for one employee and display it, use typedef. So what we have to do, already we have done this program. In this previous program this part was defined. Now in this program, before struct we are using the here typedef keyword. Because of that we are defining variable just using the employee structure name employee E1. Okay, here employee and E1 having the space. Now in the previous program we are using here struct keyword. Here struct keyword we are using, that is not used. Remaining part as it is. Now here id is enter id. Id is stored in e1.id integer variable. Now here enter name. Name is stored in the character array e1.name. Here enter city. City is stored in character array e1.city. Here values are displayed. This is the output of the program. Okay, so in this video we have seen the typedef data type. Typedef is a user defined data type which modify the name of data type which is already used. Okay, so I hope that you understand this topic. If you having any doubt, you can ask in the comment box. Let us